So now we are in the movie review project, which we are going to convert in a web API project. Convert means like I am going to just include one more module to support ASP.NET Web API in this case. So what I'm going to do here is I will simply add my dependency ASP.NET Web API via NuGet package. So I will go ahead and click here, manage NuGet package, and here I will simply search for web API project. Since I have already done this, so what you can do here is you can simply go ahead and add this way while searching with this web API and search for a particular template and then install that. That's okay for now. But once you install that, then what will happen here in that particular dependency, you will see this web API config section. So this is the part. Here I have also configured my media type to support my JSON type when I'm rendering in the browser. So these are the things which we have already discussed and seen in the previous video. So that's okay. I can go ahead and close this. That is not required for now. And this is the home controller which I am in the current application. So current application is my movie review project, which you can see here. So if you want to download the code, because this application I have developed for hands-on with ASP.NET MVC project, the book which I have written, right? So that entire source code is available here in that GitHub. As you can see, as you need to do github.com/rahulsai19/movie review, then it will give you the entire source code of that particular project. So that's okay. Now let's go ahead and create our first API controller. So what I will do here is I will simply go ahead and create web API controller here, as you can see here. Now let me go ahead and give it some name. Let's say sample controller. All right. So actually I don't need this default implementation, so I will go ahead and delete this. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to return an object which is going to print all the my values like movies in the browser in the list itself. So that is the thing. And now for that, what I'm going to have is I'm going to need the reference of my DB. So for that, where let's say movie DB equals new movie DB. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Sorry. Now once this is done, now let's fetch the result first. So where results movie DB dot movies. Let's list them all. Okay. Now I have the result. So simply return this results. How about this? Now if I build this, it should work now. So I go ahead and build this, and this built successfully. And now here in this browser, if I go ahead and apply the pattern, let's say API, and the name I have given here is sample. Okay, so I will simply go ahead and give the name sample. Now it should list me the JSON format of all these movies which are coming in the UI format. Now let's see. Alright, so it has given me all the movies which are coming in that list with all the details. So this is the way which I can go ahead and implement that API and API controller, right? So if you can see that this is a particular in JSON format. So in the next section we'll use the same thing but with a different pattern. In that case, we'll be using the same thing with DI. And when I say DI, that is dependency injection with Ninjite controller. So in that case, we'll be seeing that how to use that DI and how to configure them first, and then how to use the constructor injection. So for the next module, we'll we'll see all these things in details. But till then, stay tuned and happy coding.